manually operated material lift with unlimited applications. The Genie Superlift Advantage has the largest number of options anywhere to allow you to create exactly the material lift you need.
Thanks for your interest in the Genie Superlift Advantage. Right now, we're going to show you how to unpack it and then how to set it up. Are you ready to go?
I sure am.
Okay, do we need any kind of special tools here?
Utility knife, side cutters, and tin snips.
We're all set then.
Yep. Use the utility knife to cut away the shrink wrap. In the interest of saving time, we've already done that. We'll move on to cutting the forks away.
While he does that, I'm going to go back here behind the mast and inside this tube, get out the operator's manual. Now, before we go any further, I need to tell you that this video is not intended to take the place of the Genie Superlift Advantage Operator's Manual, because the Operator's Manual has all the instructions and safety rules for the safe use of the Genie Superlift Advantage. Make sure you read it first and put it back in the tube for handy reference.
Next, we'll begin the process of tilting the unit over so that we can remove the pallet. The first step, however, is to lock our casters into position and lock the brakes. To lock the caster, simply release the spring-loaded pin until the caster swivels into its rearmost position. To lock the brake, press it down. Okay, we're ready to tilt the unit over now. Remember, this is generally a one-man job, but you always want to use proper lifting techniques, and if you're uncomfortable, get a helper. Now we'll strip away the pallet.
Okay.
Next, we'll position the front legs. To do that, simply remove the pin. Rotate the leg, and make sure to refasten it with the pin. Next, we're ready to stand the Superlift Advantage up. Now, we'll unlock the swivels and release the brakes. Great.
Okay. While he turns it around, I'll take the side cutters here and cut the plastic tie wrap to release the winch handle.
We want to remove the tension from the cable so that we can unfasten the hold-down bar. The hold-down bar prevents the carriage from moving up and down in transport. Now we'll bring the carriage up and insert the forks. Thanks.
Okay, you got her?
Yeah. It's as simple as that.
That's great. Now, for safety's sake, make sure when you use the Genie Superlift Advantage, you only lift materials, as described in the operator's manual.
Safety is our #1 priority.
And with that in mind, let's learn how to raise and lower a load.
I'll get the practice load. Make sure that you center your load when you put it on the forks. Now, to raise a load, simply rotate the handles towards the mast. Notice the cable winds evenly on the winch drum. To lower the load, simply turn the handles away from the mast. Remember when you want to stop, to lock the winch brake. rotate the handle back towards the mast 1/4 turn. And that's all there is to it.
Great. Now, we're going to take a look at some load handling attachments. First, let's look at forks. Now, this machine has the standard forks, but we also have
Fork extensions.
Thank you.
Fork extensions are just designed to slip over the forks, pin, and help us to accommodate bulky loads. We have some more to look at.
Sure do. Let's go take a look.
First, on this attachment display, we have the rotating barrel handler. It allows us to rotate steel-ribbed barrels 360 degrees. Next, we have a steel load platform.
This attaches easily over standard forks and accommodates odd-sized objects. This is the vertical barrel stacker. It makes lifting and stacking steel-ribbed drums a snap.
Next, we have adjustable forks. They simply allow us to adjust the width of our forks for various size loads. The pipe cradle accommodates round objects or pipes. They simply slip on over the forks and tighten down with wing nuts. Last, a boom attachment. It's designed to turn our Genie Superlift Advantage into a vertical crane or hoist.
Now, this machine has the adjustable flat forks, so you can adjust the width of the forks to accommodate larger objects or pallets. This attachment only comes with the straddle base. This allows you to adjust the width of the legs to work around larger objects or even straddle full-size pallets. Anything else?
Well, we might also add that all Superlift Advantage models are available with an optional 2-speed winch. Additionally, Superlift Advantages come in 5 heights: 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. With all these options and attachments, it makes the Superlift Advantage easily the most versatile push-around material lift in today's market.
It sure does. So as long as you follow the simple safety rules and instructions in the operator's manual, the Genie Superlift Advantage should give you years of trouble-free operation. Thanks for watching.
Since 1966, Genie Industries has designed and built the most successful and popular lifting equipment in the world. We introduced the concept of lightweight, portable lifting equipment, and today our lifts set the standard for innovation and flexibility. If you're looking for quality and value backed by a worldwide service and sales network, the choice is simple. Genie. Worth more, does more, lasts longer.